In this video, we'll show you how to set up your Orbi RBK852 in easy steps. Let's get started. Start by connecting your Orbi router to your modem using the provided Ethernet cable. Plug the router and satellite into power outlets and wait for the LED lights to stabilize. Next, download the Orbi app on your smartphone or tablet. Open the Orbi app and sign in, or create a new account if needed. The app will guide you through detecting and setting up your Orbi devices. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Now, connect your devices to the Orbi Wi-Fi using the default credentials provided. You can now personalize your Wi-Fi network name and password for easy access. Your Orbi setup is now complete. Enjoy fast, reliable Wi-Fi throughout your home.